Akron, Ohio. A 911 caller reports a white Kia with people waving guns. Officer Workman finds the car. The male driver immediately runs. 2 female passengers stay behind. The stop is now justified under Navarrete and Wardlow.
Girl, what are you doing? First of all, we got a call from him that said you guys were waving guns around the car. Is there any guns in here?
No.
He probably had them on him, right? So it's okay. I'm going to go ahead and get you out first. Okay, just a minute. Because at this point, you guys had guns waving out the window. What's going on?
No, we didn't.
Turn around.
We did not. We just came from the
Miss Workman, you just... Girl, listen, in the car that they described, you guys were fighting with somebody over here?
No.
Brand new white Kia?
This not a brand new car.
His description, listen, you're good. Just stand right here. Who's in the back with you? Hold on.
That's Roper.
That's Roper. Stand right here.
But
I knocked the door.
I gotta. Why is you?
Because I'm going to explain it to you. So you guys were fighting with somebody and he was waving a gun.
No, he was not.
That's what they said. So when I pull up, he takes off running. So he's probably got the gun on him. Is there any guns back here?
No, there's no guns. Girl, check it. He was driving and y'all motherfucker keep pulling. Y'all pulled the car over something.
And 15, I have 2 females over here. I'm okay for now.
You said you need a female over here.
I said I got 2 females. Here, get out.
You want to take my car?
No, but right now you guys have to stay with me. What happened to your leg?
I got a car too.
Okay. Why do you got this over you?
Cause my hair up. I don't got no wig on, girl. My hair all off and shit.
I'm with these.
It's not the only white Kia that got a white Kia now.
Well, listen. So why would he get
It's a white Kia right there.
Listen, why would he take off running though?
Because y'all keep taking
dreads.
No, then my tags.
Okay, who is that? Why is he running?
Because y'all scared us. That was too. I swear to God. I didn't want to leave the car, but hey, I was about to leave the whole car. Hey, swear to God.
Yeah, I'm familiar with these 2 females. I'm good right here.
Yeah, tell them we good. We don't need all this. Tell them to leave. Before they try to take me to jail. Hell no. Tell them to leave.
You don't got no warrants, do you?
Hell no, I don't.
Listen, if it's something stupid, I'm not worried about it.
I haven't still one.
But I need to know who that was, though. You work with me, I work with you.
Alright, that was,
Don't lie to me either, because that's obstructing.
I don't know his name.
You're lying. You are such a liar right now. No. And you know I know that.
I don't know him.
Yeah. Well, they're probably going to find him anyway, so.
Find who for what? Why are they looking for him?
Because he was waving guns at somebody.
No, he was. We just came from the west side.
Why did he just run?
Bro, I would run too. I was about to get up like this. I was about to get out and run too. Like, what the? Like, why did you pull it up?
Here, what's your social staffer?
Miss Working, bro. I don't like it here.
Roper, get over here.
I'm cold. Can I get sleep in the car? Cuss it right here.
I don't know if there's any guns in the
I swear you just checking. It's nothing. It's nothing.
Y'all lucky it's me and not nobody else.
I know, and I got. Come to the parking lot right quick. Bro.
Do not move.
What happened? Bro, the bitch. I got the no. The police called me.
I'm familiar with these girls, but still, they're not pretty.
Yeah, we got port. We're port over right now.
What's your name, man?
Alright, bro.
What's your name?
Can you look in there? After you
What is your name?
I'm gonna send me a list, bro.
Yeah. Is that your
You
car?
gonna send me a what?
Whose car is this? Ma'am, can you step back over here, both of you?
Okay.
Miss.
See, excuse me, sir, I can't see. But we already cool. It's working. Literally, she already started.
Yeah, it doesn't matter. I'm asking you to come over here.
Who we like?
You know who that was. Who was that?
Well, he's trying to take my. He's trying to take me to jail.
For what?
That's my warrant for stealing. He asked me about my time.
They might not even want you. Half the time they don't want you.
Why? What's wrong?
We're trying to figure it out, right? But for that, we need everybody's information and know what happened.
That's rough. Yes. Tell her to come get the car.
Because she has
It's probably for theft.
Yes, it's for theft. I already told her.
Okay. Well, until we figure out if they want you, let's go ahead and just do the right thing. But you know you ain't gonna say if they do want you.
I hope they don't.
It's Jackson, so.
Hey, my phone is good. I need to see it.
Where's my phone? Don't touch me because you already
No, you can't answer right now.
How can I answer my phone?
Because right now you're arrested for your warrant. Until we know.
I'm not under arrest. You want me to answer my... Or no? Bro, they're about to piss me off, bro. They're not... Who are these people? Bro, I'm getting irritated with stupid. What are they doing? They're doing stupid.
They tricked me. Did you guys spray somebody or did somebody spray you with mace?
No, why do you keep saying that? I got something in my... I keep telling you I got something.
That's probably what the mace is.
I don't got no mace.
Let me see.
No, it's from you flinging that nasty shit in the backyard, in the back of that seat. You know what you did? Yeah, looking at that dirty ass.
All right, can I help you?
We know that. I don't like him right here.
They got a warrant right now. We're just going to see if they want her.
And we have tattoos all over.
They're coming license driver.
Well, can't drive anywhere. Car's expired.
Yep.
So I gotta get my car towed. She said that my car don't need towed if I got.
I didn't know you were expired.
Y'all can't just park it right here because you do live in a box.
Yeah, I know, but it's expired. So there's not. Who's to say that somebody's not going to come get back in it or her when she gets out? So we're responsible for that.
No, y'all playing.
Yeah, sorry, we tried though. If it wasn't expired, we would have worked it out. You know I would have worked it out for you, but I didn't know you were expired, so I can't.
Like for real, why?
Honey. That's not how it works. If you would have been valid.
No, I wasn't driving.
No, she wasn't. The dude that
No,
took off running was.
my friend is on her way with license to come get my car.
To expire over a month. Per policy, we have to tow it if someone was driving it.
Do you want to give rope or anything to take?
I'm not, bro. You need your phone? I'm not as
Well, thank your friend who
Who
waved
was?
guns at whoever y'all were fighting with.
Well, didn't nobody wave no fucking guns? So how you know it was this kid?
Because they gave the description and they gave the description of him driving.
Bro. Who the Bro, can y'all not take... Hello?
Girl, you cannot be on the phone right now.
Okay, guys, get my phone. This my mom. I'm talking to her. I was about to put it to her lips. You feel me? Yeah. I'm already not here.
No, she can't have that.
Why?
No, because I said she's under arrest.
Hello? No, for real. Like, she irritating the fuck out of me.
Stop it.
I'm just...
Go over here.
They're calling me so I could talk to my mom so they could
You can
come
call her
get
from
me.
jail when you get a phone call, girl. I've been too cool with you. No.
Why did you just say she called her from jail? Like, stop talking to me.
Calm down.
Hello? Here, come on.
No, hold on.
Come on, let's get in the car. I'll let you roll the window down. You can talk to her through the window. Come on. You got anything in your pockets? It's gonna get you in trouble?
Why are you scratching me?
I'm not scratching.
Stop doing extra shit because you don't.
Listen, stop that. I understand you're upset.
I'm not gonna lie. Yeah,
Who was that? I'll roll your window down for you. Sit down.
why do they say that they want me from
Because you have 6 warrants out of our department. Sit down.
You
can't possibly think that you're gonna.
Alright, can I talk? Can you
I'm gonna roll the window down.
Can you call them back?
I'm gonna roll the window down.
Okay, I got something to say. And don't put me on video because I don't want to be all on Facebook crying and shit because they be
You're not
posting
gonna be on Facebook. If anything, I'd be on before you would.
Wait,
Watch out.
guys, let me see the phone.
Watch your foot.
You can take your phone with you.
I want to roll the window
Can you
down.
stop talking to me?
Sure.
I can't even. How am I gonna talk?
No, that's the dude's phone.
Okay, so
No, it's not.
okay.
Let me see.
No, it ain't. She lying.
No, I'm trying to see.
Nope.
No, that's her little brother. That's the little brother's phone. That's not even his phone.
It's late, girl.
Oh, she doesn't want to talk to me.
No, she
wants
doesn't.
Then she took
to get her phone if she's want to take it.
somebody else's phone.
She's got her phone. Which one's?
Hello?
Do you want her to take your phone, or do you want to take it from when you get out?
When
you get out, you're gonna want to call somebody.
Dad. She's in jail. Who is that?
Listen, what do you want besides your phone?
Out my car?
Yeah.
I need all my shit out my car. What the hell?
Well, it's gonna be safe. It's a tow yard. You can get it out when you get out of jail. You're gonna have to get your plate fixed. Today is Monday the 19th. They're open 24/7. I'll let you know the tow yard it's going to here in a second.
So there's no way I could go to court today?
You might be able to see a judge today, but if not, first thing in the morning. And they might let you bond out, but I don't know. With you having 6 warrants and not going to court, they might not. But you'll see a judge no matter what in the morning. So.
Daz! Who? Daz!
Who's up front?
I checked both of the There is a lot of stuff in there.
Yes.
Alright. Hey, what's up with that extended mag in the glove box?
What is in the mag?
Okay. That's what I thought.
What happened?
Yeah, that's what I thought. Get back.
Wait, what? What happened?
Alright, so you have the right to remain silent. I'm reading you your rights so we can talk.
A records check returns 6 active warrants on 1 passenger, theft and failure to appear. Under Ohio Code 2935.03, the officer has a duty to arrest on the warrant. Protesting innocence at the curbside changes nothing. The warrant is already a judicial finding. An inventory of the impounded vehicle uncovers an extended magazine in the glove box. Critically, Miranda is read before any questioning about the magazine. Textbook timing. The subject asks for a summons. Ohio Code 2935.26 disqualifies anyone with prior FTAs. She asks the officer to help with bond. Under Criminal Rule 46, bond belongs to the court. No force is used. The officer's tone stays measured for 17 straight minutes.
What's up with the mag in the glove box? If he didn't have a gun and wasn't waving a gun and you guys weren't waving guns, what's up with the extended mag?
That is not his. That is his. Am I on camera?
Yeah, you're on camera, but this isn't going to be on Facebook. So
Yes, it is.
Don't
My
think of
face
that.
is
No, it's not.
That's not his though. I don't know whose that is.
Who is he?
Who is who?
See, you wonder why I can't work with you.
What you mean, Miss Workman?
Who is that?
Who is who?
The dude that ran.
If I tell you, am I going to jail?
I mean, it would help you in the future with me, but right now they want you for your warrant, so I can't help you with that. What's his name? That's all I need, just his name. I don't need nothing else.
I don't know his last name.
What's his first name? Or what's his street name?
Michael.
Michael.
They were coming from the Family Dollar walking.
Can I ask you a question? May I get my phone at the door?
No,
May I get my phone at the door?
he wasn't in the car.
Where did I phone? Right there. Where? It should be in the front right. So were you inside of the car?
No,
How your phone was in the car?
because I
Hey,
gave it.
You can't put that in there.
You gave it to who?
I gave it to somebody, and then
Who'd you give it to? What was his name?
to one of my people.
He gave it to Michael.
To Michael.
Yes, Michael. Yes, he gave it
Yeah,
to Michael.
the lie that you just told me, Michael.
His name is Michael.
No, you're lying.
No, they
I
did.
know you too well. Shut your
They
phone.
just didn't want me
Put
to
your feet up.
switch.
Put your feet up.
No, Miss
Put your feet up.
Workman.
Or you're gonna get another charge. Put your
A
feet up.
charge for what?
They gonna let you get your phone?
said that she just lied about whose name that is.
Nope, everything in the car is going to the tow yard. She'll be able to get it when she gets out of jail.
If it is his phone, you can tag it. You can call it, go to the station.
Yeah, because
She got a warrant.
no, we can't. Nope.
Can we get the keys so that she could go, so her mom could get the, they talking about
She's gonna have to be the one to get her car out.
Bro, she's trying to get the keys for the, bro,
It's
her
gonna be at the
baby's
tow yard.
clothes.
Okay, is there like a house key that she needs?
Yes.
Okay, I can give her that.
At the tow yard.
He keeps talking about it's gonna be at the tow yard. We're not talking about that. I'm talking about the key for the baby's clothes.
For
The
the car.
house key. No, the house key.
Where is that at? I can get the house key.
The key.
The house key, I can get it. Where is it at?
It's on the keys.
No, the key fob only had the car key.
Oh, it's that the key fob only had one key on it. Miss Workman, why you rolling the window? I didn't even do shit to you. Like, girl, stop doing that. Cuz, you still can hear me, cuz? You breathing that? Like, damn. I'm madder than you. No, cuz I really can't believe this. Look, you, bro, Miss Workman, is you for real?
I am for real. Your friend has.
Bro, is this a prank or something? Where the cameras at? Tell them to come out. Why you give her a summons? She would have
She has 6 warrants.
6 words you could get a summons?
No.
Yes, you
No.
can.
No, that's not how that works.
Yeah, I have 4 and I got a summons and I got my shit cleared, my record cleared.
Okay. What were your warrants?
Huh?
What were
Akron.
your warrants? No, what were they?
Theft.
That didn't answer my question.
You said, what was
Yeah.
it? Theft.
Were
was
they
theft
original charges or were they FTAs?
What was FTAs?
Failure to appear.
Oh, hell no, hell no.
Well, they're FTAs. You have to go. There's no,
Oh,
there's no
so she
discretion
had
on that.
FTAs?
I don't know what her warrants are, but you have 6 warrants. You have 6 warrants.
So you think she gonna get a signature bond? Cause she never been to jail before?
Huh?
ciggy?
That's up to the courts. We have nothing we don't set any of that. That is up to the judge and the court system.
Bro. Well, shit, you gonna go half with me on her bond?
So what?
You gonna go half with me on her bond? Shit,
That
you
ain't
take her
gonna
to
happen.
jail, shit. Cause we gotta do something.
You get your city council to ratify this contract, and I'll do that for you. But city council denied our contract, so we got to continue going for it.
Wow. So y'all really about to take Cuz to jail, bro?
Yeah, she's going, dear.
Then tell me, yeah, she going to. I'm not even in the mood to hear that. I'm not gonna lie.
Hell.
Y'all taking an innocent person to jail.
Well, she's got 6 warrants, so she's not innocent.
She is innocent, bro.
Oh,
she did not do that shit. I'm telling you.
Then she should have went to court already and got it figured out.
Bro.
If you're innocent, then why you? If you have warrants and you're innocent, why don't you get it figured out?
Bro, cuz she's been a business.
Ain't no one that busy.
Honey, I was as cool as I could be with you two.
No, don't even say
you know it. You guys would have been handcuffed and in a cruiser immediately, but if it was anybody else.
Exactly.
The fact
Why
that it
you
was
have
me
to
and
take
I
her
know
to
you
jail,
guys.
Ms. Workman? Why you ain't give her a summons? And then please don't add him. Look, don't add him into it because
You cannot get a summons for failing to appear for multiple warrants, babe.
Very-
She did. She did show up. We went to court together.
And you know
But then she didn't show up for whatever else it was. It's an FTA. She has to go to jail.
Listen, it's not the end of the world. She'll be out tomorrow, and we know that, right?
So she gonna be out tomorrow. Are you gonna help? You gonna go half for her behind on me?
No.
Bro, come
But
on.
y'all just gonna keep stealing.
No, we're not gonna steal
Stop
nowhere. We
stealing
gonna go to
from
church and everything. Just go half with me.
I can't go half. My baby graduates on Wednesday. I'm broke. Talking about you
we
want to
all
prepare
broke
$500
shoes. At least, all right, you gonna go half with the car thing, at least. Come on, we gotta pay all this money. Like,
I love you, but no.
Bro,
you guys gotta stop stealing.
Bro, we're not gonna steal no more. We
At the
just
end of the
said
day, you gotta
that.
stop stealing.
We done. We said that at Dance Street. We did, but we really is done this one.
I hope so. It's not hard to get a job. You're so young.
Bro, we got jobs. We just,
You're just greedy.
yeah.
So you're greedy. That's cool.
Everybody keep telling us to get jobs.
You're her mom. Hi, I'm Officer Workman with Akron. I'm familiar with her from Dance Street. I used to work there. This is my girl. I know both of them. So, but what happened was... Love you too. What happened was they were arguing with some girls, I guess over here somewhere. Her driver, which she still wouldn't tell me who he was. He had dreads, dark skin a little bit. She said his name is Michael, but I know she might not be telling the truth. So I pull up on him because the car matches the description that they said that, he was waving a gun out the window at them. Same description of him, same car description. So I pull up on him right here. You know, I'm going to do my job, investigate. He's driving and he hops out and takes off running. So I apprehended them. She had like 6 warrants out of our department for theft. And I think one was an open container. So she's just going for that. She's not getting any new charges. She was cooperative. Like I said, those are my girls.
She might need a break.
Yeah.
And nothing else gave her a break. Maybe it's not give her a break.
So
I got her daughter right now.
Good. So you got her baby? Okay, good.
Lessons learned. First, a warrant turns any stop into a mandatory arrest. Second, missing court doesn't make charges go away. It only adds warrants. Third, a detailed 911 call is legally strong. Specificity beats anonymity. Fourth, Miranda must come before custodial questioning, or the statement dies in court. Fifth, arguing at the curbside never reduces a charge. It only adds new ones. Sixth, when the driver runs, every remaining passenger becomes the investigation. Seventh, familiarity can soften an officer. It cannot soften the statute book. Officer Workman, B+, sound procedure, correct Miranda, full composure. The subject, C-. 6 warrants she could have cleared in court, not at the curb. Drop your verdict in the comments. Thanks for watching. See you on Street Bodycam.